All right, inti yebeda obi biase another yam say on the 22nd of June and regional minister Ashanti regional minister Dr. Frank Amoakohene oboy chidom ema ye to aba eyi akandifo ema Kumawood Ashanti Film Association na abato no na dwumadi na se botaya na esi ene so ye se yebenya akandifo a omobeboa na yesi ni twa ewo Asante mantem yi no yebehwe the running na se kwan a yebefa so a yede nyowa betoto akwema yebetimi aboa ama Kumawood mu asahye kena
nti ene no nsebe ne gu akwema
nti ene de yeto aba ne wiye no yeto aba eyi akanifo nwotwe a obia free oba movie industry man ye obi be friend domains actors for omo de ye omo makom ho abomo mo ye crew omo makom ho abomo omo nso directors and so on and so forth ye 8 nti ene ye leader everybody ba ko bia nti elected leaders no ene na ye kan ye ho bom ena honorable regional minister so appointed a chairman me papa Bishop David Oforiadu initial 17 member committee no nyame adom na nim de ene ne nyansa oboaye na odani Moses odi yanim na we wanye Moses keke wasade yekoy de kodru promised land se onsamra na ne dwumadie pa odi for the 17 member committee no onsamra ye chairman for this board na wasade me enso me say gina wose me sanye ekuo no echechefo na se wohwe ya iwa ya nko ye maame baako ene wose nko kan ho eme edu ye maame Martha Joyce Arthur ogina wo mama nene ne ho dodo ne kakra nti wantimi amba me kan sa
minister wa na famu de ahwa mama ato ba mayi mpanifo ate committee ne de kaka ho edi na monso mo yi abo se de be yesu ne twa no betimi akone ne kama
ene de ya yedi sa nkomo yi yedi kan ko hu minister ene minister edi nkomo ansa na ye ba na ye free dem no ye nyina ye free na ye nyina ye ni age sentine say wo hwe empanyifo ye omo machi ne menchen a these are leaders from various domains na enkomo na minister ne ye di ye na enkomo emu ehwam sabi obi be ka se enkomo bi emu ehwama na ebi anka ebe onu nko abotom da bi de tie ne say these are dedicated leaders a omatu omo wasi wo say omo pese omo boa ye ne ye de Kumawood no ye revive Kumawood back ye hwe framework anase adwuma doctor ede asi anim ene nkomo a doctor ene ye dia nkranhyesem nigisem enti ya yegina hai ya ready say ye ne doctor ebe kan yeti apa ho na botaya ode asi nani so say wo se Kumawood ye sa hye mu kena no ene de nsuo mu awiamu ebere bi obefra ye bia mistakenly ofra ye kra na ni beba no so na so obefra correct ye no na yegina ne pono no se ye beboa no amadwumadi no akoso
en menim ye mo plan bi e de ma ekuo no
yes eni manimu ya na on say ansa na obehye ku bia no de edi kan nkabom process na ye di ye no se obehwe a yakeka ye ho bebre no yakai ho ayeden abom na that 22nd a ye kan ade kra behwe ade na efe ebi nsi Kumawood muda enyina ye kan ho bom ebeto aba enti enede ya mene wo ka say ya behia minister ache dwumadi a esi nani so opese edi ekuo no besa akọ anase board no ye besa akọ akotenase ye behwe de ye betumi ayi nani manimu ya we just 17 member committee na report na de ba na ebi a short term goals ebi a medium term goals ebi a long term goals afa ni ye kwa akotenase na ya pensem mu ye na hwe de wo se animanimu ya no yetimi edi Kumawood fa ne ntoma pefra ne mo minister ahye yebo se otayechi na chidom na wo boye no wasa ahye yebo se ye creative art minister and tourism minister ya ma me jifa enso tayechi ne de na se ye bebo ye homode Kumawood nyame adoma mo be se hu ye bio
se mu wo propose bi am yatokrata so de ko creative art ministry no se de ya obetimi abebo ma na apart from say minister Ashanti regional minister Somasan
yes over kai asedem sidi kan no the previous 17 member committee na na wo no a comprehensive report aya de beto minister nim na report na de be minister no na a lot of recommendations and the minister hwe na and also no ye be ma onsi nsuo ma ansa na wa den ansa na wa ham into the first recommendation na wo report nim no eno na ye 22nd ye hu ya eneden ya paw board we hu dia ya ba be hia no into the say no framework ni wo ho document ni wo ho afa ni ye kwa akotenase ni abehwe road map ya de be achieve enwoma committee ni di si o mani so say ye sa anwoma beboa ama Kumawood asa afa ne ntoma pefra no
asembe na work MBA musa wa work etima bo ma
your final words say dwumadi na ye ba be di no honorable Dr. Frank Amoakohene wa ye ne famudia say no yaka unity asem yɛbɛsrɛ obi bi ɔwɔ ha bia wei ɛyɛ asɛmpa mpanyinfoɔ sɛ obi anu a ɔka bibi sɛ for asɛmpa kɔde. This is a call for unity. This is a call a yɛde revive your industry ana etimi employ over thousands of people. Nti enne nyame adom ne nya honorable Dr. Frank Amoakohene na ɔso ɔbɛboa ya ɛyɛ wo sɛdeɛ ɛyɛ ma sɛdeɛ ɛyɛ nyina ya sɛdeɛ sɛ yɛbɛka bom wo na wo audience no eduru ba bi a wo fa mu deɛ ɛyɛ den ɛwɔ hɔ wo na wo creative art person ana sɛ wo movie person no wo nso deɛ wo sɛ wo hu sɛ sabi ebi a wo nka board ho a board yi a kandifo a yɛyi ɔmo sɛ ɔmo bɛboa yɛ na ɔmo ahyehyɛ mmara na yeso yebetimi adi so said the local parliament e will be a friend parliamentarians. These are people who represent us. In the end yebesere obia ko ninku to join ma onfa mpaibo enter your regional minister chi onfa mpaibo enter the creative art minister chi onfa mpaibo kese enter his excellency John Dramani Mahama chi na onfa mpaibo as enter ene committee ya mu ya ha chi sentini say we are poised for action to bring Kumawood back to life. First of all, we are here to meet, or we came to meet the Ashanti Regional Minister, Dr. Frank Amoakohene, who has guided us, who ushered us into leadership. You see, the moment Dr. Frank Amoakohene was sworn in as the Ashanti Regional Minister, he has shown clear indication that he has a lot of love, a lot of passion to bring Kumawood back to life. So he constituted a 17-member committee which was supposed to look into the challenges which crippled the Kumawood industry. So after the recommendations was duly submitted to him, he went through it and he realized that the first recommendation was one which did not need years. It did not need months. It only needed days, which was a formation of a Kumawood board that would see to the day-to-day running of the office of the Kumawood industry. So we had a successful election on the 22nd of June, and we elected 8 leaders who are supposed to lead the Kumawood Ashanti Film Association. And today, because every group needs a chairman and a secretary, my able father who ushered the 70-member committee to doing a yeoman's job has been brought back as the chairman for the CAFA, and my able self, I have been brought back as the general secretary of the group. So we came to meet him, to have a discussion with him on what he would want us to do, his vision for Kumawood, and how we can all come together to make this a reality.
The minister has done his part. What is the committee doing to ensure the Kumawood revives again?
You see, the board has already been given a roadmap, which is the report which was submitted by the 17-member committee. It is actually pleasing to see that most of the members who were part of the 17-member committee have found their way back to the board. It means it is going to make the work a little easier, where people are not going to be so green to what the 17-member committee did. So it is now time for us to sit down. It is time for us to relook into the report which was submitted, and we see the short-term goals which was set, the long-term goals which was set, and the medium-term goals. Then we can have a comprehensive plan on how to achieve the recommendations which were set by the 17-member committee.
Have you been able to contact the Creative Art Ministry?
Yes. So we had the elections on Sunday, the 22nd of June, and God being so good, the Creative Arts and Tourism Minister was in the region on Tuesday. I had the pleasure of meeting her myself, and it was an awesome moment. And she has completely given us the assurance that Kumawood is an industry which has been dear to her heart. And I'm sure most of us have seen our president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, on so many platforms talking about how Kumawood is so dear to him. So all the stakeholders, government machinery, and everybody is poised for this call for action.
What should the public expect from this particular committee? All
right, so you see, in great power lies great responsibility. This 10-member committee, that is, if nobody is co-opted into the committee further, we have the responsibility, and most of the people with me here have been elected by their domains. They have the responsibility of ensuring that their interests are well championed on the board. And I can tell you for a fact, after we closed a meeting with Dr. Frank Amoakohene some few minutes ago, these gallant men, their faces were brimming with smiles, because it was a great one, and the conversation which we had was interesting. and I'm sure we are going to bring every energy. If the minister mistakenly gives us a phone call, by the time he realizes, by the time he corrects us that it was actually a mistake, we'd already be at his doorstep, because we are poised for action. We are poised to revive Kumawood and give Ashanti region something awesome.
Thank you.